taking pictures. You know why?
I don't know. Tell my family why. They're listening on this video. Okay, Grandma, Grandpa, you hear her? She's swearing.
Sorry.
She's a bad little girl. Oops. Can you see this one? This is another church we've gone to. I just did the circle of this church. It's really old. It's the entrance. There's a gift shop. So this is the entrance to the church. This is the entrance.
So the older people still know Russian.
Look at their signs. Be careful of these people. And when you go in the church, you have to put a scarf on.
I wish it was close.
Gift shop. A gift shop where all the trinkets and religious items are. Scarves to wear in the church. It's really nice. Yeah, water. We are leaving to go up because these are the ladies who were asking for money. And then we're going to walk up and they're doing construction. They're trying to restore parts of the outside. Okay. See, you have to pay again for the toilet over there. Then this is around town. Down there, the shops, walking. Everybody's walking.
Church had to be in Russian. Like
Look at all the dogs on
had
the
to be their way.
place.
And they were.
These are the stores. I came a little closer. See? Yeah. See, Mom? See, GP? See the woman begging? Lord Jesus. Another dog. This is down the street way where you can see all the carpets on the side here for sale. All the foods and clothes. Very windy today.